The idea of the unseen labor in the theater, I think, address unseen places in the theater that where normally, labor of a theater production would happen. And then I'm not generalizing the concept of working or concept of labor, but being able to see it from a different perspective and find some connection in this way. Throughout the storyline of the performance, it's step by step going to the very raw layer venue is being built. So soldering is just one step of that. The video is me actually visiting my extended family members, and then they are still working in some factories or working fields back in China in Henan province. And then I intentionally play that through the control room because that's also a normally unseen place. This pipe, where I would call it a bar, is like the bar on the loom machine as well. I'm trying to repetitively push and pull and then trying to kind of loom the threads, the cables together. So I'm trying to use this shape of a loom machine to, think about all those scenes, all those potential work fields together that could gravitate into this theatrical venue in the end.